Hi guys, thanks for coming by the channel. If you're new, welcome. I just wanted to jump on really quick and let you guys know that Causebox has released their next spoiler. So far we've had the box spoiler and one product spoiler, and this is our second product spoiler. And in case you don't know, Causebox is a lifestyle box that is kind of like FabFitFun that comes out seasonally, spring, summer, fall, and winter, and is $54.95 per box seasonally. If you sign up annual, it's $49.95, and through their website you can get $10 off your first box. So they said that this season you're going to have 8 products, and there's going to be a value of more than $330. So first they spoiled the box for us so we could see the seasonal box. It's just so pretty and springy, and I know it's going to be filled with such good things. And then they gave us a sneak peek of the scarves that we'll have a choice between. There's marigold, rose, and sky, and if you sign up for annual, you pick your color. And now they're showing us that the next product is actually a portfolio. The portfolio comes in 3 colors, black, pink, and blue. And it's so cool when it opens up fully. It looks so big and neat. This is a great picture of it, showing how you keep your phone, your pens, your credit cards, anything you want in it. So now we know 2 of the products we're going to get, and it looks like it's going to be a great box, and I can't wait to see what they sneak peek us next. So that's all I have for now. Check back, and I'll try and keep us up to date on these spoilers as they come out. And please like and subscribe, ring the little bell so you'll get the notifications when I make the next video, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye!